We, the staunch followers of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, are profoundly saddened to witness a tailored propaganda video clip being circulated in social media and misrepresentation in so-called news channels. Undoubtedly, this malicious act is driven by deep-rooted vested interest to cast aspersion and tarnish the immaculate character of His Holiness. It is evident that the ulterior motive of those who propagated the misinterpreted visuals was to disrepute the exalted image of His Holiness, which can never be obliterated. His Holiness the Dalai Lama is apostle of peace, bastion of love and compassion, and is sheer hope and inspiration to millions of people around the world. Being a bodhisattva, his impeccable actions of body, speech and mind stem from great compassion, Mahakaruna. His bodhisattva actions can be manifested in various forms that also come out in Tibetan cultural expression, which may pose difficulty for the non-Tibetan society to appreciate the value and essence of it. In this regard, the recent event where the boy sought for His Holiness affection, a pure and innocent gesture was outpoured from His Holiness towards the boy, which was later, largely misinterpreted and taken out of context to fulfill unkind wish of perpetrators. Thousands of examples can be given where His Holiness interacts with children and youths in a playful nature. His Holiness the Dalai Lama is someone who knows no boundaries. He meets with people without any formalities and reservations. He goes even further to tug someone's beard playfully, tickle them, or pat them gently on the cheek and nose. These endearing gestures show nothing else but his genuine delight and love for meeting with others. He is bodhisattva, pure in his intentions, and free from mundane duplicity. Therefore, it is heavily disturbing that this issue has been used as a political tool to fulfill certain vicious agendas. His Holiness has made an unparalleled positive impact throughout the world with his teachings of kindness, compassion, wisdom, and promoting a sense of oneness of humanity. We Indian people feel proud and indebted towards His Holiness that he has sojourned here for decades and made invaluable contribution, tireless efforts in disseminating the ancient Indian wisdom to the whole world. We the Himalayan people in general and Kinnaur in particular, are hugely indebted towards His Holiness for his remarkable teachings, empowerments, care and blessings throughout these years. We the people of Kinnaur strongly condemn such actions done with ill intentions. We humbly ask Government of India to investigate in this issue and find out the miscreants spreading misinformation and defaming the living Buddha with the groundless allegations. We express the solidarity with His Holiness the Dalai Lama and pray that everyone may develop pure vision and His Holiness the Dalai Lama may continue to bless us with his healthy long life.
I love children.
When I was seeing the children in different parts of the world facing starvation and dying, completely neglected. So I really feel sometimes tears come, but I cannot do anything. So like a human rights organization, including some UN, I really feel, there are some people who look after this wonderful. So now here, you one of them, taking care. Education is the key factor. So your organization pay much attention about, they provide facility education to young generation, particularly less privileged people. So really wonderful. I really appreciate. I always emphasize 7 billion human beings, mentally, emotionally, physically same. So the only question is self-confidence. I am a human being. Children who come from low caste or poorer section of people, you should develop self-confidence. We are same human being.